Manipur University ke NSS cell na SHINDUNA University asigi campus ta CHATHARIBA Northeast NSS Festival English in Kunmangagi Ngasi ani Suba Numit yoga session na Houdokhre NSS Guwahati ki Regional Directorate amasong Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ki makhada sinba thorum adugi sarugam oina yoga session ado University asigi Dr. Kamal Indoor Stadium da pangtokhi session adu da awang nongpu ki tongan ba state kaya da kilakpa NSS ke volunteer chahum rom na sarug yakhi thorum adu da University asigi Department of Teachers Education ke Assistant Professor Dr. K Romeo Maitina resource person oina sarug yakhi thorum adu ka mari leinana Dr. K Romeo na hai Hakchang khakta natana pukning wakal sengna thamna ba hotnabada yoga na achouba thodang lawri yoga gi kanaba ase maru oina enkhalakli ba miyoi sengda chawna phanghan bangami haiki tungda festival atugi convener Dr. H Suresh na Dr. K Romeo Meiteida achambu khudol tamduna thagatpa phungdukhi thorom adugi sarugam oina mapantiki lakpa NSS volunteer sengda mating oina ba learning basic Manipuri language hai naming thonba lecture session amasu pangthokhi Session aduna mapandiki lakpa NSS volunteer singda Manipuri loan khakta natana lamdamasage nat amati chatnabigi matangda mayek sengna khanghanbada chawnu mateng pangki tungda youth and entrepreneurship haiba hiramda Manipur University ke Institute of Management Studies ke Assistant Professor Dr. Sorokhaibam Kesurjitna lecture piki amati NSS volunteer singa interaction program amasu pangthokhi
Where you find these entrepreneurs, you will find that place that vision is more developed than other places. If you compare like say Manipur and Assam, why Assam is more developed than Manipur, it's not because of the government fund that Assam is larger state and is getting more government fund. No, it's because of the number of entrepreneurs. And for your kind information, Manipur is the second step next to Assam, which has more than 179 startups. And those startups are getting some funds. So this is becoming one hub. But unfortunately, so many unnatural things happen in our place.